I hope all of you are doing good. Namaste to all and wish you a very happy Akshay Tritiya. So Akshay Tritiya is basically uh, it's a good time to start any auspicious work. So any auspicious work, normally what do we do? We worship God, and the other form of worshipping is helping others. Because once you help others, you create a good positive uh, vibrations for yourself, positive nature of yourself, bringing out the good of you, and in turn, automatically things start falling in place. Uh, God starts blessing you, and I hope the same will happen to all of us. Friday we had a fantastic day. Market was typically very range bound. It was just it opened very positive note. uh, and when Bank Nifty, in fact, Bank Nifty, if you see, made open equals low and trapped all the people who went long on that day. It basically broke this trend line, could not sustain above 42,400 and started moving down. However, we were unable to take any proper trade because it was very range boundish. It again retested the trend line and then started moving down. We had two trades which gave us good profit. One was this 41,000 42,400 P, which moved from 390 to 530 levels, which is about 130 points. And 17,650 put tested our patience from 98, it went to 125, and was a good profitable day. We also took one Nifty call at this pricings. I think it was 17,650 from 70 to 80. So 75 it went to about I think 90, 85 to 90 levels. So good profitable day. In fact, initially tested a lot of patience. Hit our stop loss. We were trailing stop because market was range bound. We clearly mentioned to our traders that trail SL today. Nifty is also weak and looks like range bound for some time. So try trail, stop loss and scalp was the motto in the beginning, and give us one nice good trade, two nice trades which gave us good profit. Uh, Monday, tomorrow or Monday, what we can see is that possibly that market can open gap up 17,680 levels. It may retest 17,700 and again move down also. Uh, However, if price moves below, opens below or moves below 17,630, then we should be seeing 17,570 levels also. However, what we feel is market may again try to move upwards and then trap the longs. So on rise, we may think of looking to short. Uh, we are sharing the trade setup or trade plans. We are looking at 17,650 put call. If this moves about 92, we shall trail our stop loss and look for targets of 120. And 17,650 put about 88, we can look at 125 to 140 levels also. Meanwhile, couple of stocks we are looking. Bajaj Auto looks bullish for us. We will probably look for uh, some small trade or for intraday on the equity front, because being an expiry, we do not want to much the experiment. So if price tends to uh, what we can see, if price may open like this and move up, So we would typically look to enter somewhere at 4283, add more once this moves above 4312 or so, for targets of 4330. Sun Pharma, on the other hand, I think also looks pretty bullish. Uh, if it starts moving above 988, then I'm looking at targets of 995. Hindustan Unilever, I'm looking at 2500 call. This also I'm looking on the long side. If this moves about 26.8, then I'm looking at targets of 34 plus. Uh, This also kind of looks like a W pattern. However, I think I should look to go long about 2503 levels. Uh, I'm also looking at torrent power. Uh, this If this moves below 2003, sorry, 5539, then I'm looking at targets of 538 to 536. Uh, I'm also looking at Lupin on the long side. If 690 call moves above 14, then targets of 18 plus. UPL also has closed with a range in which uh, I'm looking this. Sorry, I'm looking at 730 call. Once this moves above 13, then 14. Sorry, 8 16 is also possible. Cipla also I'm looking at, I'm slightly on the long side. Britannia I'm looking at 4300 call. Once this moves above 60, then I'm looking at targets of 75 80 plus. TCS on the other hand, overall is now looking slightly bearish. This may tend to test 300 3180 or levels or so. If this opens at 3148, then I think I may look for going long. However, if this opens slightly above 3164, then there should be a very flat or range bound kind of a trade happening here. Club I'm looking at too short. I'm looking at 130 puts, and Zeal Entertainment has typically very badly been moving down. We should, if this moves down again further below 192, then I think we should be seeing 180.76 or so. So, Exide Industries, we are looking to add. We missed this as per the price action where we had expected this move here. I think this was shared last week, and exactly the price has taken the same movement. Intellect also, I'm looking to go long. Once this moves above 430, then 430 or 431, I think we can look at target of 436. So thank you, friends, for joining us. I'm sure your trading has been helpful, and also I would like to tell that Reliance. I think if you look at the report, there the financial report, the expenses has definitely come down, and if you also go in deep, the revenue has increased for a year on year basis, and quarter on quarter basis as well. The good part is the expenses has come down, and the taxes also has reduced quite a bit. So it is slightly positive, but however, we have to see how a market, I mean, reacts to the results. Now it looks positive. In fact, I think the market had anticipated the results and has been strongly moving up. And the buy view or buy pattern had already come at 2,200, 300 levels above. So the next possible target is if this gives us an opportunity 2,320 or so, then we should add this on our targets. We will look at 2,440 to 2,480 also. So thank you all, and